Welcome to Compare to Win. The best Lashes Beyelian is probably one of the most sought-after beauty products on the market right now, and for good reason. These aren't just any false lashes, they're designed to give you that effortlessly glamorous look that turns heads, whether you're aiming for subtle enhancement or full-on drama. With their innovative design and premium materials, they promise a comfortable wear and a natural-looking finish that blends seamlessly with your own lashes, making them a favorite among makeup artists and beauty enthusiasts alike. Number 5. Beyelian Volume Lash Tweezers AS09 Silver. Introducing the Beyelian Volume Lash Tweezers, designed for ultimate precision. Achieve flawless mega fans with their perfectly curved, high-precision tips. These tweezers are expertly crafted from high-quality stainless steel for durability and control. They are an essential tool for any lash artist. The curved design allows for effortless pickup and fanning of lashes. Create stunning volume sets with ease and speed. Made with premium stainless steel, these tweezers are built to last. Their silver finish adds a touch of elegance to your toolkit. Elevate your lash extension services with these exceptional tweezers. Experience the difference that quality and precision make. What we like? Achieve perfect mega fans with ease. The high-precision tip allows for incredible accuracy. If you are a lash artist specializing in volume techniques, you should consider these tweezers for their superior control and ease of use. What people say. Very practical for lash artists. Allows for aggressive visibility when creating and placing volume lashes. The tip is tight, precision on the grip is amazing, and making my fans are now easier for me, and I used to struggle so bad. Elles sont précises, parfait pour le volume, elles forment très bien. Number 4. Beyelian Lash Extension Glue. Discover the professional lash extension glue from Beyelian, designed for both volume and classic lashes. Experience precision and longevity like never before. Our innovative Smart Drop technology ensures you get the perfect amount of adhesive every time. With precise 0.03 milliliters drops, say goodbye to waste and hello to efficiency. Achieve stunning results with a rapid 1-second dry time and an impressive 6 to 7 weeks of retention. It performs optimally in various conditions and is even suitable for sensitive eyes. The advanced IPX7 waterproof sealing technology keeps the adhesive fresh from the first drop to the last. Your adhesive stays potent, ensuring consistent quality for every application. Whether you're creating classic or volume lash sets, this professional-grade adhesive delivers exceptional results. It's the perfect partner for lash artists seeking perfection. We are committed to your satisfaction with our professional lash glue. If you encounter any issues, we offer a 100% guarantee or a full refund. Try it today. What we like? Experience unparalleled precision and longevity. Its Smart Drop technology ensures accurate dispensing, while the rapid 1S dry time and impressive 6 to 7 weeks retention are game changers. If you're a professional lash artist seeking efficiency and durable results, this glue is your ideal choice. What people say. Best lash glue I've gotten in a long time. The appearance is classy and so easy to use and not struggling to squeeze the bottle. The thickness of the glue is perfect. Dries within seconds. Hands down, this is the best lash glue I've ever used, and I've tried a lot of different glues and none of them have lasted as long as this one. Not only is there hardly an expiration date, but you get every drop evenly. The retention is amazing. My clients love it. No fumes, definitely a great value. Definitely low fumes. I do my own lashes and the glue is easy to work with. Even use this on my clients. Retention is good for 3 to 4 weeks depending on the care of the lashes. Number 3. Beyelian Ellipse Flat Lash Extension. Discover the revolutionary Ellipse Flat Lash Extension from Beyelian. Designed for a natural yet voluminous look, these extensions offer unparalleled comfort and ease of application. Experience the incredibly lightweight and soft feel of our flat lashes. They mimic the natural lash for a seamless blend, ensuring your clients barely know they're wearing them. Achieve the perfect look with a variety of curl options, CD, and lengths, 7 to 15 millimeters. Whether you prefer mix or single lengths, these provide ultimate customization for any style. Enjoy the rich, matte black finish that adds depth and intensity to the eyes. This classic look is timeless and enhances natural beauty effortlessly. Crafted with professional lash artists in mind, these supplies are made to last. Elevate your lash artistry with tools that promise quality and client satisfaction. The unique flat shape makes application a breeze, offering a larger bonding surface for superior retention. Spend less time applying and more time creating stunning results. What we like. Create a beautifully natural and soft look. These flat lashes offer a lightweight feel and a matte finish that mimics real lashes. If you desire a subtle yet full appearance, especially for clients who prefer a less dramatic effect, these are perfect for you. What people say. The base is flat and easily wraps the natural lash for longer retention. The flat base also is easier for application. I like that it came with size 7mm, which are perfect for the inner corners. They are super soft and natural, not stiff at all. I love that they are flat. I feel like the flat lashes hold longer. Number 2. Beyelian Volume Lash Extensions. Achieve stunning volume with our Easy Fan Lash Extensions. Designed for professionals, they make application a breeze. These individual lashes offer a perfect decurl and range from 8 to 15mm for customized looks. Experience the difference of premium quality. Our innovative self-fanning technology ensures beautiful blooms with every lash. Save time and create fuller sets effortlessly. Enjoy beautiful, long-lasting results that are semi-permanent. They are perfect for clients seeking a durable and gorgeous look. Specifically crafted for professional salon use, these lashes provide a flawless finish. Elevate your client's beauty with ease. What we like. Effortlessly create stunning volume fans. The self-fanning technology makes blooming lashes quick and easy, saving you valuable time. If you're looking to speed up your volume lash services while maintaining a full, beautiful look, these are a must-have. What people say. These really do fan so easily, and they stay looking full and fluffy between fills, with proper aftercare. Very easy to use and are extremely goof-proof if you're a professional lash artist. Sets come out soft and fluffy every time. Still has a curl when client come in for a fill 3 weeks later. Love these lashes. As a new lash artist, Beyelian has allowed me to perfect my craft with these easy-to-use fans. I use both C and D curl fans and have made some of the most beautiful sets. Number 1. Wendy Lash Clusters Kit RT318. Achieve stunning lash extensions right in the comfort of your home. Our kit makes DIY lash application simple and quick. Experience incredibly lightweight lashes that feel natural and look beautifully fluffy. Get that perfect wispy look without any heaviness. These lashes are designed to be waterproof, ensuring they stay put through your day. Enjoy beautiful results that last. Embrace the popular anime and manga aesthetic with these captivating lash clusters. They offer a dramatic yet natural 3D curl. Choose from 12 to 16mm lengths to customize your look, whether you prefer a subtle cat eye or a bold statement. The 3D curl adds incredible dimension. With over 140 pieces, 60p plus 80p, you'll have plenty of clusters for multiple applications. Get salon-quality lashes affordably. What we like. Achieve salon-quality lashes at home. These clusters are ultra-light, easy to apply for DIY, and waterproof for long-lasting wear. If you love experimenting with different lash styles or need a quick, beautiful lash enhancement for any occasion, these are perfect for you. What people say. These are the only lash clusters that have actually stayed on for me and do not irritate my eyes. Half the time I forget I'm even wearing them. The glue stays. This glue is amazing and lasted me over 2 weeks. They look like real lash extensions. They are light and the length is perfect. Lashes are always easy to apply, lightweight so you don't feel them. Band is small and doesn't irritate my eyes. The bond and seal hold well and don't burn like other brands. They look real. The thickness is perfect and they are a great value for your money. The quality is great and once I put them on, they stay in for several days. Lash clusters are life-changing. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.